Hello, good morning, good evening, and good night. Apparently, it's 11:17 by my time, so that is good night. So, from wherever you're watching me, especially when you get this video, my name is John Chimeze, and today we'll be looking at how to download and install Java and Apache JMeter for your performance and load testing. So, the first thing first, we need to understand that Apache JMeter is built on Java language, and you can only run Apache on a Java runtime. Okay, a Java virtual machine. Okay, so today we'll be learning how to install and how to download and install Java and Apache JMeter on a Windows operating system. All right, so let's get that into it. So the first thing we need to do is we need to go to our command prompt. Just type cdm. And we need to confirm, first of all, if we have Java installed by typing Java space dash dash version. So presently, there is nothing showing up for me. That means I don't have Java installed. Okay, so let's close this. So just open your favorite browser, whichever one you choose. All we need to type is just JDK download. And once JDK download is opened, we can see official Oracle website. The first link created, the first link that is the first thing that is displaying. So just click on it to take you to the Oracle page. So presently, based on this video, this application is built. The latest release is Java 26. You can see everything that has been created under it, and you can also check the older versions, JDK 25 and JDK 21. So for this 26 is what we're about to download. So all you need to do is to click to the preferred OS you're about to use. For me, this video is for Windows operating system. So you have to click on Windows and come down to x64 MSI. MSI simply stands for Microsoft installer. Okay, so you click here, and our system will begin to install. Okay, to start to install Java. As you can see, Java is currently installing. Okay, so at the moment, Java has been installed, so we can go to our downloads and we can see it here. So all we need to do is to run this program by double clicking, and it will give us some steps and sample on how to run it. So just click next. Yes, yes. And preparing to install, as you can see on my screen. You can just click next. This part is saying, would you like to change the location of this build? Would you like to change the location? For me, I don't want to change the location, so I'll just click next. It's preferably is advisable not to change the what's it called? It's advisable not to change any location. Just keep it in the default location. Okay. So now we have successfully installed Java, so we can close this program. But now the next thing we want to do is to set our Java that has been installed on the global environment. And for that, we have to go to local disk, program files. Now you can see the Java here. So we can click it. We can also see this is the latest Java we've installed. And let's check if Java is currently installed. So we can just type Java. That was an error. We can just type Java space dash dash version and enter. All right. So presently we have Java installed. You can see Java 26 2026, and this was the date it was released. Okay. So now we have to close this. So now I said we need to, of course, locate the Java. and set it in an environment. Okay, so what we did was to click on PC, click on local disk, click on program files, then you locate Java here, click on it. This is the JDK 26 we installed earlier. Click on it. Then this is what we need. We need to go to bin. Then inside of bin, we just click on this part, Control C, and then we go to our search and we search for environment. Okay, to set it in an environment. So here we have what we call edit the system environment. Double click, come to environment variables. Under system variables, locate path. And here, just click on new and Control V to paste our Java environment. Okay, click OK. And here, under the system environment, click here and enter the Java home. Okay, and click here. Paste the location we copied earlier. Then you can delete the bin. Just ensure you stopped at the JDK-26 and you click OK. You click OK again. We click OK. So we are good with this with that part. Setting up our environment, we are good. And the next step for us is to download Apache JMeter. So the next thing we need to do is just to type on our browser Apache JMeter download. Okay, this is it. Just click on it. Once we click on it, we go to the first build here, the first link here. This is the official Apache JMeter website. Click. Now we are in the Apache JMeter website. Very easy. All we need to do is to come down to this part called this is binaries. Under binaries, we have two different types of links. We have TGZ and we have zip. Make sure you click on the zip. So when you click on the zip, hold on for some moment for it to install. As you can see, it's installing. Installation is very fast. In a few minutes, we should be able to have this file installed. Of course, it is installed now. So we can come to this. This is Apache JMeter. And what we need to do is very easy. We need to extract this file. So you can come here and click on extract all. Now, preferably, it is better to extract this file. Now, it's better to extract this file inside of your local disk because this is your root folder. Okay, but I don't want to confuse you guys, so I'm going to extract it here, then move it to my root folder. Or either way, I can just simply copy. For instance, I can cut it out of this downloads, go to my root folder, which is this local disk, and I'm going to Control V, which is to paste. Okay, so I'm going to paste what I have downloaded. Of course, it is no longer existing in my downloads. It is now existing in my local disk. So at this point, I have to click and extract all, meaning all the files inside of this. So before I extract, if I double click into it, I'm going to see the main file of Apache JMeter. So if I click, you'll see this is the real file of Apache JMeter that we need. And this is exactly the size of what we have, 13K of the Apache JMeter. But before we use it, we have to extract from this zip. This is a zip folder, okay? Zip folder, and this is the amount of gigabyte, this amount of kilobytes that we have inside of it. So we can click and do what we call extract all. This is going to take a while. Of course, we are trying to extract all the dependencies, everything we need for our JMeter to function, to work, to perform the load test, the endurance, the stress, the volume test, all the kind of tests we want to perform under the non-functional testing. That is what we are extracting out from the application called JMeter. Though it's going to take a while from the video, you can just fast forward if you don't have enough patience to wait and for this to install. For this to extract, you could just fast forward. But if you have the time, of course, you could just wait for it. It takes a little time, like a minute and some seconds. So after this is being extracted, as you can see, we can easily set the rest process, and the rest process won't really take so much time. So let's hold on for this to just quickly extract. Okay, while it's still uploading, it's still extracting, we can still skip the video like I mentioned earlier, or just simply wait for it to successfully and fully extract. It's taking a while. It's almost done. All right. This is 93 minutes. It's almost done. And installation is quite taking quite some time to install. Almost completed. Okay. So while this is done, or while this is successful, as you can see, let me just take us back a bit. So this is the zip file. This is the extracted file. So this is the part we need, not this anymore, because we've extracted what we need out of this. This is now where we have it. So you have to, the difference is, let me just scroll a bit. So the difference is, this has something like a zip. You know, from the look of things, it's looking like a zip. Let me see if I can zoom up a bit. I can. Okay, good. This has something like a zip. So this is not your main file. This is just like a component housing this main file. This is the main folder you need. So I've extracted from this. So now I have business with this, no longer with this. So you can delete this, or you can choose to keep it, whichever the case may be, because we already took out what we want. So I can just double click, then double click, and I double click into bin again. So you notice, look out this Apache dash 5.6.3, then Apache 5.6.3 again, then into your bin. Then I locate this Apache JMeter, as you can see. Then I can turn on this option tab to set show more option. Click on show more, then click on send to desktop to create a shortcut for it. Okay, and now I've created a shortcut for it. All I need to do is also minimize this, minimize, then this is my shortcut. So here I can just double click, and I have my JMeter installed. Very easy. So let me know from from your experience, if you try to replicate everything I did. If you have issues, drop it in the comment section on this video.